Guru Nation, how's it going? Welcome back. I guess I'll be documenting my journey of starting a site from scratch. So let me tell you completely just a little bit about what I'm doing. I moved to Yuma, Arizona, really for family reasons. It wasn't until I started like exploring the landscape here and realized it's a tremendous opportunity for clinical research. There's a tremendous opportunity for continuing to build Latinos in clinical research and actually doing what our mission is, which is to reduce disparities in research by having minorities, in this case predominantly Hispanics, join studies and provide more options. So, Yuma, Arizona, that's where I'm at. It took me forever to find a doctor here. I found one using LinkedIn Premium. My wife helped me out a lot. We've messaged probably every single doctor in the city, with maybe just a little bit of an exaggeration, but there's honestly not that many. There's like 100 that I reached out to. Two of them were interested. I decided to work with one of them. The fit was right. The patient database was right. The setup was right. So I'm going to be working out of his office. He's going to be a contractor. The goal is to either continue as a contractor, him to continue being a contractor with me, or to partner as an equity partner. I'm okay with both. I actually prefer equity partnerships with my PIs. We're planning on building this clinic up, and then who knows, either keeping it or just scaling it. There's a lot of opportunities in this region where I'm located. So today, I'm going to be doing a lot of videos, vlogs, sometimes with my GoPro, sometimes here on my computer, as I'm building this site from the ground up. I'm going to be creating content, just documenting my journey, the successes, the failures, the funny moments, the sad moments, whatever happens. I'm going to try to keep it as real as possible with you guys because I know that people like to learn from that. People like to appreciate from that. If nothing else, maybe get some entertainment or just tickle your curiosity, scratch your curiosity itch. So today we had a site selection visit, or sorry, not even a site selection visit, a Zoom call from the CRO to discuss two potential studies with my new site. So it was myself, the PI, and my business partner Chris Sauber on the Zoom call. And we discussed the logistics of the study. It's actually kind of a complicated study, but we can pull it off. We have the right team. I have a nurse practitioner, Jaime Valles, who you're going to be seeing a lot of on the podcast. I can't wait. We've already done one video, but that's just like an appetizer. That's nothing. That's an appetizer. That's nothing. So we had the Zoom call. It went well. We're gonna get the contract and budget next to see if we are okay with the budget. The PI seems to be okay with the patient population. And so if that works out, the next step will be the actual site selection visit. I'll be vlogging. I don't think I'll be vlogging like the actual event. I don't think I can do that, but I can like take breaks from the visit and go outside and kind of give a play-by-play of what's happening without mentioning sponsors or even indications for that matter. I'm going to be very discreet with how I do this, giving away nothing about the study at all, but introducing some characters along the way, like the staff members, PI. PI is an interesting guy as well, pretty cool guy. Hopefully, we can get him on a few podcasts. So yeah, just today was the. This typically doesn't happen, but this CRO really needs to make sure that they get the right sites on board, meaning the right sites who can do the study logistically. It's a bit complex. There's actually two studies. Do the studies, it's a bit complex, and also enroll the patients. And we can do both after a 30 to 45-minute Zoom call with the sponsor. So the next step will be the site selection visit. During this particular Zoom call, they just asked us, they basically just explained the study and asked us if we see any issues with it. And then we raised some concerns. They answered our questions. We asked some questions. It was really about logistics. It was never them auditing us or questioning us or interrogating us on like, can we do this? What's our database like? I mean, those things came up, but it was more of like a problem-solving Zoom call, which I really like. I really like this CRO as like a smaller CRO, So I really enjoy working. I tell you guys, small is the new big. So it went well. Follow me on my journey. I'll definitely keep you posted, and hopefully we can all learn something. I know I'll be learning from you guys in the comments as well, and from Marjorie. From shout out to Marjorie of Topaz Clinical Research, keeping it real in research. So that's just a little update on what happened today. I'll catch you guys later. Bye bye.